In a bustling startup, a coder named Lina discovers that non-stop meetings drain her energy and erode her focus. She replaces one long meeting with a 2-minute breathing break and a quick stretch, inviting her teammates to join. During the first week, productivity metrics dip, but mood rises as small resets prevent burnout and sharpen decision-making. By week 2, Lina notices deeper concentration, faster code reviews, and calmer communication even under pressure. The lesson travels through the team as sustainable routines beat heroic sprints, proving mental health is the quiet engine of performance.